CZAR KAISER.
Hey guys, it's your boy CZAR KAISER, and today I'm going to give a quick review on the new 2021 Honda Grom. The Honda Grom is a small displacement motorcycle that's extremely fun to ride. This bike is very popular because of its small size, friendly power, and sleek design. The Grom is part of Honda's MiniMoto lineup and is also known as the MSX125 around the world. It has a top speed of 95 kilometers an hour. This bike is perfect for beginners, and it's also very fun for experienced riders who want to take it out for track days or zip around town doing stunts and stoppies. The Grom is very fun and affordable. It costs less than $4,000 and features a fresh new style with a bodywork that's very easy to customize. There's a lot to learn about this bike, but before we get into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content, and definitely check out my online store where you could buy some cool motorcycle accessories and apparel. So yeah, let's get right back into it. The new 2021 Honda Grom comes available in 4 color options, which are Gaiety Red, Metallic Forest Silver, Matte Gunpowder Black, and even a rare blue color option that's available in selected countries. This bike gets an all-new styling with new body panels that are very easy to customize. It also gets sleek LED lights all around, including a new octagonal headlight and new turn signals that are placed slightly higher. The 2021 model also comes with a new gas tank cover and a smaller subframe with a flatter seat. The 2021 Honda Grom complies with Euro 5 emission standards, which means it's clean and also fuel efficient. This bike is powered by a 125cc air-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine that puts out 9.6 horsepower and 10.5 newton-meters of torque. It comes mated to a 5-speed transmission gearbox and is extremely fun to play around with for riders of all skill levels. The Honda Grom weighs 227 pounds and has a compact wheelbase of 120 centimeters. This motorcycle is very easy to balance, and new riders are less likely to drop the bike. It has a small 30-inch seat height and a ground clearance of 7 inches that allow you to completely flat foot your feet at all stops. The Honda Grom has a fuel tank capacity of 1.5 gallons and a fuel economy of approximately 150 miles per gallon, providing a riding range around 225 miles. The Grom comes with a redesigned LCD digital dashboard that displays all the information you need, such as a clock, speedometer, tactometer, trip meters, fuel gauge, and a gear position indicator. The Grom has a strong chassis that includes a steel box section double-sided swing arm and a steel mono backbone frame that provides easy handling for new riders. The suspension system on this bike is handled by a non-adjustable 31mm inverted fork up front that provides 3.9 inches of front suspension travel. At the back is a single monoshock that's adjustable for spring preload and provides 4.1 inches of rear suspension travel. The Honda Grom sits on 12-inch 5-spoke aluminum cast wheels with V rubber tires. The braking system on this bike is handled by ABS and a single 220mm disc up front, gripped by a dual piston caliper. At the back is a single 190mm disc with a single piston caliper. So yeah, that's about it for the new 2021 Honda Grom. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the bike. Do you like the new style and design? Do you think the Grom is the funnest bike to play around with? Let me know your thoughts down below. I respond to every comment, so definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content. Alright, that's it for now, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.
มีคนบอกว่ามอเตอร์ไซค์มีไว้แค่ขี่แต่งรถให้เท่สักคันมันต้องใช้เวลา เ เท่ๆมันต้องขับคนเดียวรถแต่งลุยได้ไม่สุดหรอกแต่ที่พูดมาไม่ใช่เรา New Honda Grom แต่งใหญ่ใส่ให้สุด
CZAR KAISER